بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق.
Read with the name of your Lord who created everything.
خلق الإنسان من علق.
He created human beings from a clot of blood.
اقرأ وربك الأكرم.
Read, and only your Lord is the most generous.
الذي علم بالقلم.
The one who taught to write with the pen.
علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم.
The one who taught man what he knew not.
كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى.
Yes, certainly, the disbelieving man is indeed rebellious.
أن رآه استغنى.
Upon this, that he considers himself self-sufficient.
إن إلى ربك الرجعى.
Indeed, only towards your Lord is the return.
أرأيت الذي ينهى.
Do you see him who prohibits?
عبدا إذا صلى.
Allah's bondsman when he offers salah.
أرأيت إن كان على الهدى.
Do you see if he had been upon guidance?
أو أمر بالتقوى.
Or had he instructed piety, so how good it would have been for him?
أرأيت إن كذب وتولى.
Do you see if he belied and turned away, so how will his state be?
ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى.
Did he not know that Allah is watching him?
كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية.
Yes, certainly, if he does not abstain, we will definitely drag him by seizing the forelock hairs of his.
ناصية كاذبة خاطئة.
What kind of forelock? A lying sinful one.
فليدع ناديه.
Let him now call his council of helpers.
سندع الزبانية.
We will now call the guards of hell.
كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب.
Yes, certainly, do not listen to him and prostrate and become close to us.
صدق الله العظيم.